welcome to Anaheim, Florida.
Welcome to Disneyland. Well, actually, right now we're in
California Adventure.
Yeah,
right?
Disney's California.
Oh, sorry.
DCA.
So this is our first time back in 12 years. 12 years.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we are Echo Travel Mixes. We are currently out of Nebraska, but we're here in California just hanging out with friends and doing all that kind of fun stuff. We are really excited because it's Disneyland. I'm very nostalgic, to cut you out. I'm very nostalgic Disney. I love the old school type stuff. I'm really excited to see what has changed, what's changed.
Plus, when I was a cast member, I'm using my comp ticket, so they're park hoppers. So that's good.
Yeah, we're here with some friends, so I don't know how long this is going to be or what kind of video, what kind of stuff we're going to shoot because we're just spending time with them.
Yeah, the whole day we're kind of just being off and on, off and on. You may see a lot more B-roll instead of like us talking, or you may see us talking a lot. Like, it just depends. We don't know how we're doing it today. We're just kind of having fun and enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, but if you are new here, hello, hi, you already said that. Yep. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, don't forget to like and comment, because we are really excited because we have a ton of stuff that we're going to be sending you guys. Just keep in mind, we only post twice a week, maybe some more than that, so just be with us. There are some things that are going to be kind of like way back when, but we're posting it now. So.
And we are way more active on our Instagram and our TikTok.
Yeah, for sure.
You can definitely email us any ideas, challenges, anything like that. We are definitely open to it. Don't forget to leave those comments, fam. We love seeing them.
We're on our way to Incredicoaster.
No, yeah.
Yeah, we're on
and then we're gonna go to Guardians, and then we're gonna go on the wheel, and then I don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Guys, thank you for stopping by and enjoy this video. Holy cow.
Wow.
Is this what you thought of?
Yeah, I wanted to ride this.
Oh, you just want to see Rocket.
And Groot.
But we're really excited. We're on our way here. So Amber, where are we at?
Radiator Springs.
Racers. I'm excited.
Radiator Springs.
I know.
You said where?
I know, I said Racers.
But you didn't say what attraction.
Oh, the attraction is Radiator Springs Racers. We only rode this one time, and that was 10 years ago. So we're really excited.
I think we rode it once before.
Okay, maybe two times.
Yeah.
But I remember it was an awesome ride. You think it's still awesome?
Awesomer.
It might be awesomer. We'll find out. We really haven't been talking to you guys that much. We're just really enjoying our time with our friends. But this is our first time on Raiders.
I know. I've been wanting to ride this.
It's like Aliens, but better.
But in the sun.
Yeah. We don't have a cover like this one. But it has actually been a lot of fun. Really slow. Like, the crowd's not that bad. We're used to Disney World.
We're just kind of taking our time and enjoying it.
Yeah.
Fun.
We've done so much in a short amount of time.
This is our 5th ride since park opened.
Yeah. It's been fun. So, yeah. So the story goes, this is Walt's apartment right above the Disneyland Fire Department. And whenever he would be in the park, the light would be on. Well, whenever he would leave, the light would be off. But after his passing, they let the light on, and it's been on ever since. It's really cool. Every time we come by, now that I know that history, I really want to know more, or at least say hi and stuff. It's really cool. probably. When they start shooting at us.
Oh no, Ryan's driving.
We got a sweat bug. Is it the same one Walt ran?
I don't know.
You open stuff in the store.
I'm trying to hold it steady, but it's not working. It's like this. Look.
6.5 miles an hour. I like that.
Oh my gosh.
Have you been drinking? No, officer.
Oh my god, you guys, I'm sorry. This part is gonna be so bad.
How are we getting past?
That's why. Oh.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
What'd you get?
Blue milk. Does the body good. Try some.